239 people. A Boeing 777. And not a single trace to this day. March 8, 2014. Malaysia Airlines flight MH370 takes off from Kuala Lumpur. 38 minutes later, it vanishes. No distress call. No radar. Just gone. Later, military data shows it turned. Flew for hours over the Indian Ocean. Then, silence. Massive search missions scanned over 120,000 square kilometers. All they found? A few pieces of debris. No black box. No wreckage. No answers. Was it sabotage? A hijacking? A systems failure? To this day, MH370 remains aviation's greatest mystery. And the families are still waiting.